So now you will see how you disinstall the Bimini roof. So it's very simple. You have two inox here, pull up, and here, and then you just open here, and then make sure to keep it now, because now it's gonna fall down, obviously. So here now we very simply put this one down like this. Right. And now these guys, the side canvas poles, are easy removable. So you just, there is a push bottom here in the back, and then you push in that one, and then it should be fairly simple. Fairly to take it off. And then these things we need to remove as well, the side parts. I'll show you how. These you actually need to remove completely. These are the only ones you actually do like this. So then you do like this. Same thing here. You remove this one. And then this part is now loose. And these two you just put here. Click and click. And then this you store together with the big aft canvas that I'm going to show you soon, which we stow inside the huge storage space under the sofa module. But we're coming back to that. So now it's time to actually start installing the big canvas. And now we're talking about transforming this boat into a completely different boat. And in order to install the big canvas, the first step is actually to install the Bimini part. And we recommend actually to keep the Bimini part and the three parts of the aft canvas together in the big back in the huge storage area that I will now show. So let's start with opening the big engine hatch. It's up here, and then voila, a fantastic storage space is now opening up, where we have a lot of stuff. But right now the main thing is actually to take out the Bimini part, which right now I have loose, and then the full canvas. And then I'll take it down again. I'll do this myself now, but of course this is much more simple if you're two people. The first thing you need to do is, these things should be pointing towards the aft. So now we've changed this around. We can open up this a little bit. And the first thing we want to do, as always, work with start with high up. So we can actually start with installing the ceiling in the roof. So this is where you enter it. Right. Then and here you have the two TMX, really strong. You always just push them in, and then it's really hard. There and there. Now it's kind of obvious what should go in here. You open up this one, and there's this feather there that you pull in like this. Same thing on this side, like this. And it's not a problem you don't hear the click that goes on, it doesn't matter. And then these things you take around here. And then this is a normal strap. Up there, in there, and then you can tie this extremely hard. Like this, and then you just do that to avoid same thing here. And you have to be on this side of this bar here. This you will, after the first installation, this is going to be simple. And then you just tie it down and you just make a little lock like this so it doesn't fly in there. Now the Bimini is done, and as we said, this is something we actually recommend for, I would guess, from May to August in most countries, because it's not the problem having it up here. It's always nice. Some people say, it takes away the sun. It doesn't. Then you just place yourself so you get the sun, but you will always have 50 shade, 50 sun, and everyone will be happy. So now let's move on to the big canvas.